When considering top-performing mutual funds in India, it's essential to look at both historical performance and the fund's management strategy. For instance, funds like the Axis Blue Chip Fund and the Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund have consistently delivered impressive returns over the years, often outperforming their benchmarks. Investors should also pay attention to the expense ratio. Lower fees can significantly impact your returns over time. Additionally, consider the fund's risk profile. Funds like the SBI Small Cap Fund may offer higher returns, but they come with increased volatility. Diversification is key, so exploring options like the HDFC Hybrid Equity Fund can provide a balanced approach. Always remember to align your investment choices with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Research, compare, and choose wisely to maximize your investment potential.